Okay, so I got the O-ring lubricant, which is like petroleum jelly. Just put on the O-ring. This one's a Viton one. Once again, it should last a bit longer than just slipping inside. And once it goes in, you get the screwdriver and just put him inside, so it sits on the bottom like this. Then you just get that retainer and just pop him back in, and that's it. And that's just to test it. Yeah, perfect. Hopefully that's not gonna leak. And yeah, just to release it, you just press the sleeve down and take the tube out like so. Easy peasy. All right, now I'm gonna clean this, because you can see this was obviously leaking for a while. So it's gonna take the oxide off with a little bit of a emery paper, and do exactly the same thing. We'll probably, this one's not too bad, nice and soft still. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of a lubricant, and it just goes here. This is the top valve, which comes up to the top, and I can actually assemble this one, and that just screws in like a normal gardening hose. So thank God for that. And just as well that these valves pull apart to replace the O-ring. Normally you can do this, so maybe that's a good design for change. All right, and this is for now that, and I will just, once I do this, I'll assemble it and do another short video when this is all back together, or when I'm actually assembling two things together. Okay, thanks for now.